In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free PayPal money. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can make this money in 2021. Hey, how's it going, guys? Jackson here with Internet Money Lifestyles, and in this video, I'm going to take you step by step with a method that is going to show you how to make literally free money with PayPal. Now, this is going to be a very simple method, and for those of you that come to this video and are just looking to earn a little bit extra money, then this is going to be a great method for you, basically getting money to your PayPal account. But if you're really looking to start an online, fully automated, passive income of a business, then what I highly recommend is going down in the description. It's my course that I partnered with my mentor, who is a six-figure a month affiliate earner. Just made an amazing course. It's a 3-day business building challenge that helps you get set up with an online affiliate marketing business in only 3 days. Okay, now this is a method that actually gets you set up with a legit business. The method I'm about to show you is great, but the thing is it's not sustainable. It's not going to last for the long run, and it's not going to make you large amounts of money. It's just going to help kind of get the flow going, get the ball rolling. But so if you're really serious about starting a online business, then I highly recommend going to that link below and get started. But without further ado, let's jump into my computer so I can show you how to make free PayPal money step by step. Let's go. So I've got to say real quick, I'm a bit upset because I actually just shot this entire video, but my microphone was away from me, so you couldn't really hear anything, or anything that you could hear, it just didn't sound very good. So I'm basically having to do this video all over again. Okay, guys, so I hope you've got to be kidding me. Which is totally fine, because I'm here for you guys and I want you guys to start making money as soon as possible. So I'm reshooting this video. So whenever I first shot this video, I went step by step exactly what you needed to do, but it's pretty simple. All you have to do is basically put in your email and then click sign up. Now it's going to take you through a few steps. You got to say, I'm not a robot. You got to do that little picture thing. Put in your name, your zip code, and all that other lame stuff. But then you're going to be led to this page right here. So here we are inside of basically the dashboard of this. And by the way, I don't think I mentioned the website name. So real quick, right up here, it's featurepoints.com. Go there and then obviously get signed up. Just like I explained, I got a little bit ahead of myself. Like I said, this is take number 2 of doing this. And then you're also going to see at the top your email, and you just need to go to your email and confirm your address. Now I want to direct your attention down to where you're going to be able to make your free PayPal cashola. So if you go down here, you are going to see that if you click cash, and you are going to see the options for basically putting the money into your PayPal account, or if you don't have a PayPal, you can use a Visa gift card. Okay, so if we want to make $100 on our PayPal account, we're going to need about 60,000 points. So if we go over here to surveys, you're going to see that for 8 minutes worth of work, you only earn 1,600 points, 300 points, 75 points. We're trying to make an extra $100 here. What is this? All right. Now, this is where it's going to get good. We're not going to go through these surveys. This isn't how we're going to make money. We're going to allow other people to do the work for us. So I'm going to direct your attention down here to this. This is going to be your specific share link. All you have to do is click copy. And once you share that and somebody signs up for feature points through your link, you're going to earn points that way. Then when people start going through these surveys and doing the actual tedious, boring work, you're going to earn points that way. So we're going to let other people do the work for us, so that way we can basically make free cashola. And real quick, I also want to say that Feature Points also has a feature to where you don't have to just get cash. You can also cash out in gift cards or Bitcoin. If we jump over here to the computer screen, you're going to see that right here. You can get gift cards if you want, or Bitcoin. But I assume if you're here, you're wanting to know how to make free PayPal money. And so obviously that is going to be right here. But if you want to do gift cards, maybe for gifts or Bitcoin because you think Bitcoin's going to go up, then you can also do that as well. That's just another option. But how are we going to get people to sign up through our referral link? Well, it's simple. We're going to head on over to YouTube. And all we have to do is type in feature points. If I know how to spell. Once you click that, obviously you are going to see a ton of videos. This one right here, talking about feature points, has 18,000 views. Guarantee you this dude's made a lot of money with this. This guy's 17,000 views. This dude has 53,000 views. And trust me, all they're doing is kind of what I'm doing in this video, talking about it. And then they just put their referral link down in the description. Which I forgot to mention, if you go down the description and use my link there, that's going to automatically give you like a free 50 points. And it's also going to greatly help me out. So if you are wanting to use this method, go down the description, click that link. I would really appreciate it. But that's really what these people are doing. They're just basically making a review over it. Now, if you are going to use this method and you are just starting out, do not try to rank for feature points and make a YouTube video titled feature points. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a video with a longer tail keyword. The title is going to need to be a little bit longer. And if you want to know what title is going to work, what keyword is going to work, I highly recommend using Tubebuddy. And if you don't know what Tubebuddy is, go down the description. You can download it. You can download the free version and you can use that, but the paid version is so much better. It's what I use for my YouTube channel. It's what's helped me grow to 1,000 subscribers in a very short amount of time. It's what helps me rank my videos. But if you don't want to use a paid version, I totally understand. Just go down the description, click that, and go ahead and get Tubebuddy downloaded. So what do I mean by longer tail keywords? Well, if you see feature points and we go down here to the Tubebuddy extension, we're going to see that this is a poor score. That is not something we want to rank for. So we're going to type in something else. Do feature points review in 2021, okay? And what you're going to find is that that is a much longer tail keyword. So the really popular YouTubers aren't trying to rank for this, but people are still searching for this. Because if we scroll down, we're going to see Tubebuddy is going to give us a score of 100 out of 100. Now with Tubebuddy, anything 50 and above is great, and you should definitely make a video using that keyword. Now here I want to direct your attention to why Tubebuddy paid version is better, is because you get the weighted. You can click here for weighted, and this is going to give you a weighted score. Now obviously my channel has grown. I have over 1,000 subscribers. I get over 20 views per video, so I still have 100 out of 100 score. If your channel is brand new, I promise you your score isn't going to be this high, but it might still be a 50 or above. So this might be a great keyword that you can try to rank for. Make a YouTube video over it and then post your link. This link right here, you're going to post in the description of your video, and you're going to lead people to this so they can get signed up so you can start earning free PayPal money. But I just want to show you that if this isn't a good keyword, then you can just make it longer. Put more words into it. Feature points, honest review, and put in 2021, see what comes up there. So for me, this one's actually a worse of a score, and the reason it's worse is just because the search volume's lower. So for me, I would take out honest, and then I would just use that for a keyword, but I'm not going to use that. If you guys want to use that, you are more than welcome to. So guys, that is my complete tutorial on how to use feature points to make some extra money and get the ball rolling. But like I said, if you're wanting to start a full-time online affiliate marketing business, the exact strategies that I'm using to build to a $10,000 a month business, go down in the description. It's going to be the first link, www.internetmoneylifestyles.com. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please be sure to smash that like button. Also, if you do me a favor, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on notifications, as I post videos every single day on the best methods to making money online. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for today, and we will see you all tomorrow.